Umaga, Teacher Diana.
Magandang umaga. Yes?
I'm gonna play my friends after class, but I need to study first.
Study first before playing. Okay? Alright, magandang umaga ulit. Nasaan na yung iba? Nasaan na yung ibang estudyante? Ba't wala pa rin sila? Aldez. Nandito ba si Aldez?
No.
Aldez,
Wala po, teacher. There are my cousins, not my friends. Their name is Kai and Ruthie. Hey, Johan, you remember my friends that you come to my birthday? Oh my God. Yes, I am your friend. I want to sit on my. I will sit on you. I will sit with you, you guys. What do you mean, on you?
alright. Ayan, magsimula na. Magsimula na tayo. Okay. Sa inyong Filipino subject last week, nag-aral ba kayo tungkol sa pangunahing idea? Did you study about pangunahing idea?
Oo.
Ano ba ang pangunahing idea?
Yes, teacher.
Ano ang pangunahing idea? Okay,
Yes, I did.
Yes, I let you study about the pangunahing idea, right? But this time, it's going to read the story first. What's the story? The story is about pakikipagtulungan. Did you guys read the story for this one?
Yes.
Ang matulunging mag-anak.
Yeah.
Now, bago tayo magsimula sa ating kwento, sa pakikinig sa ating kwento, may mga vocabulary or vocabulary words tayo na dapat nating matutunan. Yun ay ang Okay, yun ay ang mga talasalitaan, which is talasalitaan means vocabulary words, right? First word, matulungin. Ano bang matulungin? In English, you have helpful. Matulungin. Nasunugan.
Fire.
Fire victim. Okay?
Packing things.
Packing things. Dilata, canned goods, bigas, rice, puro, point. Now, we're going to listen about the story. Let's read it again. Ang matulunging mag-anak, the helpful family. Okay? Ang mag-anak na Reyes ay likas na matulungin. The Reyes family is naturally helpful. Sila ay nasa kalapit na barangay upang tulungan ang mga taong nasunugan. They are nearby the barangays to help the people who are the fire victim people. Sina Aling Uneng at Mang Romy ang nagbibigay ng pagkain. Aling Uneng and Mang Romy are the giver of foods. Sina Ben, wait first, let me just accept your classmates. They are late. Sina Ben, Tina, at Leo ang tumutulong sa pag-iimpake ng pagkain na ipamimigay. Ben, Leo are the people who help in packing the foods. Ako na ang maglalagay sa plastic ng noodles. I will be the one who will put the noodles inside the plastic, said Ben. Ikaw naman, Tina, ang maglalagay ng mga dilata. Siya naman ang maglalagay ng bigas. You, Tina, will put all the canned goods, and the other one will put the rice. So in the story, let's answer the following questions. Sino ang tatlong bata sa kwento? Who are the three kids in the story?
Ben. Si Ben.
Si Ben. Sino pa? Leo.
Yeah, Leo and Tina.
Tina. Okay. Ben, Leo, at Tina. How about you guys? Do you also help out people?
Yeah.
Do you help out to those?
Yes.
God.
Every Christmas we give food to people in the street, even at midnight already. Even if it's only.
Even in. Have you experienced like giving out like canned goods and rice during the storm?
Give people in the street.
Exactly, right? So how do you feel? What did you feel in helping out other people? Do you feel sad, angry, mad, or what?
Good. Good.
Feel good, feel happy, right? We feel good and we feel happy, right? So, let me ask this question. Why in the story about Aling Oneng and Mang Romy and also the Reyes family, why do you think that their house is nearby the barangay? Why?
Because there are fire victims. They're there to help.
Because they
They're helping.
Yes, because they are
Over there to help.
they're there to help. Exactly. So, anong uri ng bata ang magkakapatid? Ipaliwanag. What can you say about the siblings? Leo, Tina, and Ben. What can you say about the three kids?
They're nice.
They are
Nice.
nice. They are nice. They are kind. What else?
They're kind to people. Generous.
Generous. Helpful. What else?
They can matulungin. Helpful.
Matulungin, right? Matulungin, mapagbigay, right? They're so kind. Responsable. Okay. Ano kung may nangangailangan na kapwa, ano ang gagawin mo? If there is someone in need of help, what will you do?
Help them. Help them.
Help them. Exactly. So you need to help them. Exactly, right? So you need to help them out. Example, like the beggar in the street. Have you seen beggars in the street?
No, I didn't see any beggars. Only people that's holding the bag and just calling for me. Teacher, what are beggars?
Beggars are
they're begging for
always
something.
ask for food, money.
Stuff.
Like when you drive, like example, when you go outside, no, on the street, then someone will knock on the windshield like that. Give me for
Oh my God.
that,
Teacher
right?
even drive away. He just drive away, teacher.
Mm.
Just drive away. Even there were neighbors.
You know what? There was
Teacher,
this
there were
there was this funny moment that happened actually when when I went out because I need to buy the important stuff. So
Oh, can we hear the story about it? Can we hear?
Teacher was like driving. No, I was driving, and then I actually got lost in the place. Like I don't know where to go to the place that I need to go. So I asked someone, can you please help me? And he was like, I was like, what? Girl, the one that I asked actually is a crazy, crazy guy. He was like bringing the bag like this, and then he was talking, like that, just walking past by. I thought, wrong person to talk and to ask. It was really funny.
You asked them where to go. Do you know at Christmas I give like people, and when they were there, they were chasing at us, and I was in the car.
Really?
She was chasing me even at the car.
That's so dangerous.
He was
Okay, so
chasing mid-rise.
so you should if someone is chasing, you should run fast like that. Run fast.
I run very fast.
That's good.
If you don't run fast, teacher, what do you do if you get cornered?
Huh?
What do you do if you get cornered of all of them?
What will you do? You shout.
I shout for help, like help.
But if you got cornered with them and there's no other way, you just like
Just punch them.
Just fight back. Study karate. Okay? So now let's go over ano ang pangunahing ideya ng kwento. So, ano ba ang pangunahing? What is the first idea of in the story?
First idea in the story, they give food to the fire victims.
Ang mag-anak na Reyes ay likas na matulungin. Okay? Or you can say ang matulungin na mag-anak. Alright? First idea. So you can have it here. Sometimes the first idea can only be taken from the short paragraph or the short story itself. So for example, this one, the first idea is ang mag-anak na Reyes ay likas na matulungin. Alright? Okay, so now let's go over. Let's have the last one. Saang bahagi ito matatagpuan? So, mostly for the first idea, it can mostly be seen at the first, right here. First sentence of the paragraph. Sometimes it can be tricky too. It can be in the last first sentence of the paragraph. Okay, last first sentence, last paragraph, first sentence. Okay, next time teacher will give you an activity so that you can enhance how to find the pangunahing idea. Right? Okay. Let's go over with the topic for today. That is just a review about the last time's topic.
Sure. Santa. Yan, Santa, Byron. Santa. Teacher, I like it when it's almost Christmas.
Christmas is around the corner. Do you know that? Alright. Ngayon ay magtatalakay tayo tungkol sa pantukoy. Ano ba ang pantukoy? Yun ba yung aso tinatawag natin na ganun? Tukoy-tukoy. Ganon? No, it's different. Okay? Ang pantukoy. Ang pantukoy ay this one. Ang mga, si, sina, ni, at nina. Ito ay ang mga pananda sa pangalan. Ang pantukoy ay ang tawag sa mga panandang ito ng pangalan. Okay?
Ang pantukoy ay pangalan.
Panandang pangalan. Yes? This one. Ito. This one. These are the pantukoy.
Yes. How about kina?
Si, sina. This one. Si, sina. Right? There are different types of pantukoy. You have pantukoy sa pangalang pambalana, pantukoy sa pangalang pantangi, at pantukoy sa pangalang pagmamay-ari. This one. Oh, wait. This one. Okay? Now, let me go through with the different types of pantukoy. Okay? Okay, here. So, there are like 1, 2, 3, 4 types of pantukoy. Right? If you're going to use ang mga, ito ay ang mga pantukoy sa pangalang pambalana. What do you mean by pangalang pambalana? Pangalang pambalana is this one. It shows the ang mga, at mga. Okay? Next, pantukoy sa pangalang pantangi. Here, pangalang pantangi. Si, sina, ni, at nina. Example, si Zachary ay grade 2 student. Sina Zachary at Abigail ay grade 2 student. Okay? Ay mga grade 2 student. Okay, so you have here. Next, you have the si, ni. Okay? Si at ni.
Is that Sini, teacher? Is that Sini? You go to what?
No. It's just si at ni. Okay? You have here ang mga, sina, nina ay ginagamit na pantukoy sa dalawa o higit pang pangalan. Okay? Dalawa o higit pang pangalan. Next. Who is that? Uy, may key static sound. Can you hear it?
Yes. I can hear it.
It's like
a radio that doesn't work, teacher. It's like a radio that doesn't work. It's like the lag sound. Somebody's eating. Somebody's eating. Somebody's eating.
I think it's Nina's audio. You can mute your mic, Nina. Something is wrong with your audio.
Is that Nina's?
I'm sure that doesn't. I think it's Nina's.
Okay, so let's go over now. Next, you have the following. Next, you have the following. Pantukoy sa dalawa o higit pang pangalan.
What's that? It's bugging me.
Who's that?
Bruh. Who is that? Bruh. Thank God.
Bruh.
Bruh.
Try it. Bruh.
It was Nina.
Bruh.
Bruh.
Okay, so let's continue now.
Bruh.
Okay. Oh no, not the talking sound. That makes me scared.
Oh no.
Why are you smiling, teacher? Like, you're like.
Bruh. Bruh.
Where's that? Where's Nina?
Bruh.
Where's Nina?
Bruh.
Oh, keep on saying bruh.
I I don't know what's happening to Ninya. Something is not right.
I don't know what's happening to my camera.
Okay, so let's go over now. You have also ni at nina ay ginagamit sa pantukoy na pangalang pagmamayari ng bagay. Okay? Or gumagawa ng kilos. Example. Let's have the example of the following. Byron was like, it's not me. Who is that, bro?
Maybe it's...
Okay, so let's go over now. Halimbawa, example, you have here. Ang bus, ang mga bata, si Carl. You have here, look at the given example here.
Pantukoy. As an example.
Pantukoy. Okay.
Pantukoy.
Ang bus, si Carl, aklat ni Marie, iniluto ni Aling Nina, ang mga bata, sina Rose at Ben, kinain ng mga tao, pangkat nina Mel at Pinita. Okay, so ano ang mga pantukoy sa mga halimbawa? Ano ang mga pantukoy dito?
Tukoy.
Ha? Ano ang mga pantukoy sa halimbawa dito? Can someone tell me?
Carol.
Exactly. Okay, so you have Sina, Rose at Ben. What else?
Carol.
Si.
This one. Ang bus, ang. Okay, pantukoy. Ang mga. Si. Pantukoy. Si. What else? Ha? Nina. Yes, you have Nina. What else? Ni. You have Ni. What else? Mga.
Yeah.
Then you have Ni. Okay? Ni. Ito ay ang mga pantukoy. Ano ito? What is this again?
that sound?
What is this again? Pantukoy. Again, one more time. I want to hear all of you. I want to hear all of you saying the word.
Pantukoy.
Okay. Pantukoy. It's not the one that you call the dog, huh? Like tukoy tukoy. Like that, no. But pantukoy. Again. Pantukoy.
What is that? Tukoy. What's that?
Do you know tukoy tukoy? Tukoy tukoy is what our grandma and grandpa will call to the dog. Like before, the old people before, they call the dog like this way, like tukoy tukoy, like that. They call the dog that. And then the dog will waggle the tail. The dog will waggle the tail going to the one calling the dog. And next, let's look over now. Let's go over to the topic. So you have here, mga talisalitaan. What is the talisalitaan again in English? Anyone? Huh? I cannot hear you.
Malik return.
Talasalitaan are vocabulary words. Okay, vocabulary words. Okay, let's go now. Let's study the words. You have
Bumalik.
bumalik. Silid, aralan.
Aralan.
Naawa. Napahiya.
Tumigit. Tumingit.
Sumingit. Nagpaalala.
Alala. Daya.
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 Oh, remember this because we will have spelling test next meeting. But this one,
Oh my gosh.
don't oh my god, Mia. I'm not joking. So let's go over then. This time we will read the story about Marco at Sarah tungkol sa kanilang mga kaklase.
Umatik
Okay, so
sa silid aralan
let's go over
ang
them.
mga
Okay, I need someone to be Sarah and Marco. Who wants to volunteer? I want someone to read the line of Sarah and Marco. Okay, let me call Natalia. It's been a while. Haven't heard Natalia's voice. Natalia will be Sarah and Marco will be... Who wants to volunteer for the boys?
What?
Seth. Okay, Seth wants to. Okay, let's go on. Seth.
No. No. It is to be Natalia and Andrew.
Okay, let's have it this way. Let's start. Okay, let's start with Sarah, which is Natalia.
po bumalik sa silid aralan ang mga aral
mag-aaral
maaral na iyon na uhaw na ahaw
pa rin. Okay, next. Let's have Marco. Marco.
Oo. Oh my gosh. Umiyak ang you're talking a lot.
Kamag-aral.
Silang
sumingit sa drinking fountain. Okay. Now, Sarah said, teacher will just read it now. Okay. Sarah said, nako, umalik sa silid-aralan ang mga mag-aaral na iyon. How pa rin. Oh, they went back to the classroom. Those classmates that we had, which are still thirsty. Then Marco said, yes. Napahiya at umiyak nga ang kamag-aral nilang sumingit sa pila sa drinking fountain. The classmate which inserted in the line the queue in drinking fountain cried and feel embarrassed. Sarah said, si Juliana yon. Naawa nga rin ako sa kanya pero pinigilan daw siya ni Rika. Oh, that was Juliana. I felt sorry for her, but Rika stopped her. Marco said, sina Chito at Ricky ay nagpaalala rin sa kanya. Mabuti naman hindi na raw siya magiging madaya. Chito and Ricky reminded Juliana, and I'm glad that Juliana will not cheat anymore. Okay, so what happened in here? What do you think happened?
It is very bad. It is bad.
Yes.
That's what doing so they will win.
Exactly. So Juliana inserted in the line. Have you experienced that one when you were lining up, and then someone inserted in front of you? Have you experienced that? Do you think it's good?
No.
It's not good, right?
And like he or she didn't ask permission. Can I be the first? You will say no.
I mean, example, no, if you're buying a burger in McDonald's and then someone inserted, of course you will feel bad because they inserted in front of you, right? Which is not really good. But then if someone inserted is an old citizen like a grandma or grandpa, it's fine, you can give them the line, okay? But if it's like they're not like pregnant, they're not citizen, they're not old enough.
How about if your mommy, teacher? How about if your mommy? You'll just be at the middle, or your daddy. You'll just be at the middle.
Yes, if it's your mom who inserted it, it's fine because it's your mom, right? But if someone like you guys, all of you like classmates, and then someone inserted, it's not actually nice to insert. You need to consider other people.
On a principle.
Also, and also if you also have a daddy that is going with you and he will pay. You don't know to pay. You don't tell him that I'm just gonna be at the first of the line.
Exactly. It's not nice to insert a queue line or a queue or a line, right? You need to fall in line, follow the directions and rules, right?
If you're the last, you go in the line. You're at the last. If the teacher have a rule in your space, you have a space where you need to go, that you need to follow it.
Okay. All right. So let's answer the questions now. Question number 1. Ilang pangalan ang tinutukoy ng si, ng ni, ng sina? If you will use the si, how many people or how many names are there? 1, 2, 3. How many names are there?
One.
Si?
1.
Si is 1. How about ni? Ni. Ni. Only 1. Okay, 1. How about sina?
2.
2. 2. Exactly, it's 2. Alright? So if you will have the pangalang tinutukoy ng ang, how about this ang? 1 or 2? How many names should be involved? 1. How about ang mga?
2.
2. Now, if you will use ang, should we use the name of a person? If you will use ang, should we use the name of a person or object? No, ang is used for object. Okay, example, ang cellphone, ang ballpen, okay? Ang alcohol, what else? What else can you give an example using the ang in the object? Ang ruler, alright?
Ang paper.
Ang aso.
Ang aso, okay, can be ang aso. Can you say ang mga
bata.
Ang mga bata. Ang
Ang
mga, if you will say ang mga, it is a singular, I mean a plural form. Okay? Ang mga, it means many, ang mga tao, right? What else? Ang mga pusa. What else? Ang mga ruler, ang mga baso, ang mga plato, right? Ang mga pagkain. Alright?
I was gonna say that
Trash. Ang mga
Okay, we use ang for singular, ang mga for plural.
ang mga pusa.
Ang mga pusa, ang mga pusa, like that. So, anong uri ng pangalan na kasunod ng ang at ang mga? Anong uri ng pangalan? Anong uri ng pangalan na kasunod? Uri ng pangalan? Wala, somebody forgot it.
At. Diana, the internet is very laggy. That's why I cannot hear you.
Oh, really? Okay, so it's fine though. Okay, so you have here, ginagamit ang mga sa pangalang pambalana. So you have ang mga pangalang pambalana. Okay? Ang sina, ni, at nina ay mga pantukoy, pangalang pantangi. Alright? So you have here ang mga bata, ang bus. Si na, Ross at Ben. Si Carlo. Okay? You notice that one? That this part right here shows the plural. And this side right here is the singular.
Alang nena.
Diana.
Okay, do you have any questions about it?
Yeah.